Hey, this is Sean for Sean Cole Enterprises, bringing you a new Royaltie Upline App update. Since we have last talked, they have upgraded the privacy features on the Upline app, and I just wanted to go over some of them updates with you on the privacy. Um, One update here, you said they have updated the chat privacy to prevent cross recruiting, team privacy. So now all new teams are now defaulted to private mode, meaning that users will need to ask to join and have their request approved. 3. Team Leaderboard. For privacy reasons and to prevent cross-recruiting, the team leaderboard was removed from the platform. 4. Personal privacy. The user can no longer see the list of other teams their teammates are on. Invitation enhancements. You can now invite users to your team via email on the web platform. Chat improvements. All links and URLs are now clickable on both desktop and mobile chat. Personal leaderboard. The leaderboard now shows the type of connection you have with other users in your organization. These are some the updates that they have recently done on the Upline app, the Royaltie Upline app. And as you can see, most of them were done to stop cross recruiting. Assuming there must have been some issues with cross recruiting within the company. And they addressed it and they fixed it. Royaltie is always on top of what their affiliates request and making changes, when it's necessary. Um, that's why I like this company. They are always on the ball, on top of everything, in front of the curve of everything, keeping everything smooth and running nice with no complaints. 2 years in business. I've been with the company roughly about 6 months. I was here initially when they started. Got frustrated with some what could you say, customer service issues, but those issues have been addressed. And since I've been back, it has been nothing but a pleasant experience. And this company is putting money in my pocket, man. This company here is the breadwinner, Royaltie. This is number one in my book. And I put someone in this company, at least one person every day a month, in this company, Royaltie. It doesn't matter if you're an online marketer, if you are a offline salesperson, you can work this company, you can work this business because it sells either way. There's a need for this technology, and once your client or your prospect sees what this technology provides for them in their business and the cost range that it comes in, it's a no-brainer. They jump right on it. It's just an issue of getting out there and doing the work. As long as you're doing the work, you're going to make the money here at Royaltie. They make it easy to make the money. They give you good product, good service, good support, and good bonuses. And I couldn't be happier. I'm glad I rejoined. To tell you the truth, man, I wish I never left because I would be a lot more further in the company that I am now. But with that being said, the 6 months that I've been back in, I have climbed myself back up to the leaderboard through just consistent marketing, consistent advertising, consistent work, training, and showing people that I put in the business how they can make money with this business. It's not hard. It's just doing consistent work every day, doing consistent steps, and letting people know about this technology and how it can benefit them. Any entrepreneur, any small business owner needs one of these, at least one of these products in their business, at least one, if not the two major ones, with the gym, of course, and the uplink with the Wi-Fi, the guest Wi-Fi for their customers that come into their location, so that they can collect email or social media leads from them and keep in contact with them. And they're getting that and they get that, all bundled under a price ranging between $25 and $40. The return you're gonna get on that investment is through the roof. And if you're a business owner, business-minded individual, you'll see that and hop on this opportunity. Again, like I said, this is Sean for Enterprises. I just wanted to stop in and give you the updates on the affiliate side of it, as far as the Upline app and some of the security features that they put in to eliminate, what some, I guess, affiliate members felt was a problem as far as cross recruiting and privacy. Now you have privacy within your group. Keep everything nice, tight knit, and so, people can look and see, what someone else is doing in their individual team. You can stay focused on your team and what y'all doing, and keeping your eyes on the prize. And that's just what it's all about. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises. Thank you for your time today. Be good.